Hi wholesalers, today we're going to do a quick tip video on the application of rough wrap or RR vinyl. RR vinyl is going to be a cast vinyl for latex only. This is going to be primarily for putting to textured surfaces. So brick walls, cinder block, even just regular walls with a lot of texture you want to last a long time. This is going to be the best thing for you to use. We'll go outside and we're going to put it onto a cinder block wall and just show you tips on applying it correctly so it stays up. We do have a lot of wholesalers using this already. Stadiums or beer caves that have texture, and they've been working out really great. All right, so we'll see you outside. So when applying the rough wrap to a textured wall like this, the only two things you're gonna need are a heat gun and a rag so you can press it in because it's gonna get pretty hot. So once you've got the backer peeled off a bit, you're just gonna put it on without any heat first and make sure that you've got it in position correctly. And you're basically just gonna tap it on. You don't wanna really press it, and it's textured so you can't roll it. So once you've got it placed on there, you're gonna apply heat now, and you can use a rag to help press it in because it's gonna get pretty hot. So once you take some time and apply some heat to it, use the rag and you can really press it into the texture. It's gonna make it stick a lot because it's got more surface area sticking. It's gonna last a pretty long time outdoors. We also make a RR lam. It's a laminate you can put over the top that's gonna at least double the longevity outdoors.